Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable alert when phone pick up on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and find the advanced features. Okay, tap this. In advanced features, you can see the motion and gesture. Okay, go to motion and gestures. Here in motion and gestures, you can see the alert when phone pick up. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the alert when phone pick up, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, if this turn on, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled alert when phone pick up on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.